Hi guys, it's me again, Christoph Andrew. If you are watching right now, please don't forget to like and share this video and hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. Today is all about the monsters because of the Labubu is so hype all over the world because of the newest release version 4 and the big into energy rock the universe. So before proceeding with that, let me go back from the other series or old collection which is the Monsters Ko Yokoyama, the big into energy series version 3 and the Monsters collaboration with One Piece. So what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now! So let me start with the Big Into Energy series version 3, which has a lineup of 6 confirmed figure, which is the love, hope, serenity, luck, happiness, and loyalty, and one secret, which is the ID, which has a probability of 1 over 72. So this is the version 3 of the Big Into Energy series. If you watch my previous vlog, I already unboxed, if I remember, it's happiness or loyalty. I'm not sure. I should go back to my previous vlog so that I can check that one. But either of these two, I already unboxed them. So for today's vlog and unboxing, I wanna get luck or love for this time. So let's see if my prio is the one inside of this box. So let me open this one at the bottom part. Let me get my cutter. Oops, oops, oops. Okay. So easy to open this one, and let me show you the foil. Oops, no spoiler. Okay, let me show you the foil that they use here. All the characters or illustration is in the cover or is in the foil, including the secret, which is the ID. So let's see, guys. I hope I'll get my prio. So one, two, three. Oh, it's a blue one. Oh, okay. This one is still nice. Not my prio, but I like the gradient color of the blue here. I guess I can use this one as my like my personal Labubu. And what I like about this is the even the toenail of Labubu here is blue. It matches the one tooth of Labubu here. Let me show you. And even the eyes of, I guess this is Hope. Yes, this is Hope. Hope has a blue eyes. It's so glittery. It's like a midnight sky for me. And I like the fur. It's so soft, very premium looking. I just noticed that the ears of Labubu V3 doesn't have the same height. Like this one is smaller than the other, and even the ears color is different as well. This one is a lighter blue, uh, and it's metallic, and here is like a midnight or darker blue, and it's metallic as well. So I like this one actually. Even the ring, what you call this one? Ring, ring. This ring is so cute as well. It's blue. There's a lot of blue going on here, and I like it. Let me show you the art card. So this is Hope. I like the art card still. Very nice illustration. So I'm so excited for the newest collection. That's why I decided to open this one so that if I'm going to unbox the newest collection, which is the Pin for Love series, I will able to match them or compare them with the new and the old one. So what is your thought about this one, guys? Please comment down below. Let me proceed with the Monsters Ko Yokoyama series, which is the MAC. In my previous vlog, let me set aside the other three first and show you the box. In my previous vlog, I already unboxed Sandwave, Flamingo, and I have Dust before and Dark Steel. So I still don't have the Snowman. The no, I already opened Horizon, I believe. I don't have the Sun Rising, the Amethyst, the Flame, the Storm, Corrosion, and Bryophytes, and the Secret. So let's see. I like the illustration and the artwork of the box. It's very a war type a war type illustration because of the cover, which is I believe this is Dark Steel. So let's see, guys. I hope it's not a duplicate. That's why I'm going to unbox this one at the bottom part, because if this will be a duplicate, I'm not going to open the foil and I'm gonna sell them. So let's see. Okay. Oops, let me show you the foil first. Oh, this one's so chunky. Look, guys, I like the color combination of their foil. It's like a sage green to olive green, and I'm not sure if this is gray one. I like it. There is a branding here, so let me show you the art card first. So one, two, three. Oh, the snowman! Yay! I don't have this one yet. Okay, let me open the foil. But let me show you first the art card. I like it. I believe Snowman has he's the only white color here from this collection and or lineup. So I'm so excited to open this. So one, two, three. Yay! It looks like really a snowman. It's so white. Oops. So Labubu here is like he has a orange eyes and orange nose. I'm not sure if that's brown, but I like the snowman here. There's a combination of or a linings of blue, and I like the back details of this one. It's very war type machine, and there's antenna here, and the artist name is here. Casting is 5B. I like it. This you can move this one. Oh no, this is the only one that you can move the hands of Snowman or the Labubu Snowman prototype. Very nice one. I like it. It's so different from the other collection. So cool. Nice one. If you have other thoughts about this one, guys, please comment down below. Let's proceed with the second box. So we got the snowman. So I really wanna get either of these two because I wanna have like this cover, which you can easily see their face. Unlike this one, you really have to open the top first so that the face of Labubu will be visible. But for this one, you can see behind the glass. So let's see. I hope it's my Prio this time and it's not a duplicate. Oops. Okay. Uh, oh, let me remove the foil first. And let me show you the art card. Oops, where's the art card? Okay, here. So one, two, three. Oh, yay! The flame one, the one that I really want. Nice, the red one. What's it? Flage or yeah, it's flame. Maybe this is like a German word. I'm not sure if someone watching is a German or from Germany. Let me know if this is a German word. I like the art card. Very nice. Oh, there's an inclusion here. So this is the cover of Flame. I'm so excited with this one because I really, really like the Flame one. So one, two, three. Yes! This one is so cool. Look, guys. It's like a war type machine and it's a color red. I like it. Like, let me put first all the inclusion so that we can appreciate it more. So I'm not sure what is this one. It's like an LEC of the helicopter or maybe the antenna. So this is the cover. Let me put the cover first. Oops, there's some like, let me remove some paper dust. I like the cover one. It's like, yes, look, guys, it's so cool, right? And you can move the hands and tilt the hands like this. And what I like about this one is the other hand is like a machine gun connecting to the helmet or connecting to the machine. And look, the back part, it's like, I'm not sure if this is like flammable, if this is real. And Labubu will fly high like this, like an airspace machine. So let me put this one maybe here. Yeah, okay, okay. So this is like a antenna. Let me put this one like this. Yes, it's cool, right? This is the one that I really like. Very nice one. It's like there's a button here, like a play button or a like a start button. This one is so cool. I like it. This is my very very faves. What is your thought about flame, guys? Please comment down below. Let me proceed with our next box. So another Koyo Koyama series. So I got this already. So I hope I'll get Storm as well. I really like Storm. So let's see. Uh, I hope it's not a duplicate because I bought this one in a separate set. So I might get a duplicate again. So I hope it's not. Uh-oh. So one, two, three. Oh. Oh, I thought it's Dark Steel. Okay. So this is Bryophytes. Bryophytes, it's still green. Yes. Let me open the inclusion and the foil. Yeah, I don't have this one yet. So one, two, three. Oh, okay. This one is better in the actual figure. Let me remove all the plastic first and put his hand. Yeah, this one is better than the artwork. I like this. Yes. I like the gradient color of the green. It has like a metallic finish of the green, and there's a bronze color at the back because of the air vent, and it's really like a war machine, and you can move the hands like this or tilt the hands. Yeah, I like this one. I thought I wouldn't like this, but this one is so cool, better than Dark Steel. Yeah, surprisingly I love it. And also Labubu here is green. Look, he's green, and the eyes is like a hypnotized eyes. And I like the nose of Labubu here. It's red. Let me put the helmet cover or the protection cover, I guess. I'm not sure how should I put this one. Uh-oh. Am I doing it right? Like this, I guess. Okay, that's it. This one is so cool. I like this one. I like the number font. It's like a purple one. It contrasts the gray color or the metallic finish of the helmet. I like this. Very nice. I'm getting beautiful figures now. What is your thought about this one? Look, guys, the artwork, I guess it's not that likable in the picture. It is more likable in the actual one because of the gradient finish or the metallic finish of this figure. So, give me your thoughts. Let's proceed with our last box. Last box for Masculine Krieger Koyo Koyama series. So, this will be our last box for this collection or lineup. Now, let me open the bottom part. Okay, oops. Okay, let me show you first the lineup again. I still wanna get Amethyst or Storm. I hope either of these two or maybe Sun Rising. Yeah, so that I can match with Horizon. Horizon that I have already. So let's see. Let me remove the foil first. I hope it's. Oops! There's a. Like. Okay! Yay! Oh! This is Storm! Yes! I got the one matching with the flame! Yay! I like this one. Let me open the foil. I'm so excited. Yes! So, one, two, three. Yeah, this one is cool. Look, guys. Very nice. I like it. Wait. Let me remove all the plastic. Okay. Oops. Careful. Oops. Look, guys. This one is so cool. Look. I have war machines now. Oops. Okay. Let me remove the antenna. And this is the cover of the helmet. Yes. Yeah, look. It is so cool. Let me put this one here. Oops. Oh, there's a number 7 at the back. Okay, yes, this one is cute. Very cool. Cool. Look, guys, they are matching. Haha. But I like this one better. Better than this. I like this better because of the color red. Very striking red. But still, I like this one because it matches the flame. Very nice figure. Let me show you all the details at the back part. Mhm. I like the intricate details of the machine gun connecting to the machine. Very nice. Look, what is your thought about this one? Which one is better for you, this one or flame? Comment down below. So guys, let's proceed with our boxes from the Monsters collaboration with One Piece. It's so hard to get a set from this collection. That's why I only have like 8 boxes for today. And it's so sad I didn't get a complete set. It sold out very fast. And I had already Tony Chopper from this collection and Nico Robin. So I hope I won't get a duplicate from this collection. And I really wanna get, of course, Monkey D. Luffy. I like them all. I really wanna complete all the series, but unfortunately, I didn't get the full set. So let's see. So I'm going to open this one at the bottom part, so that if I'll get Chopper and Robin, I'm not going to open the foil. I'll just have to show you the figure and the art card. And the reason that I decided to get another boxes because the second season of One Piece will be out very soon, so I'm excited about that. So let's see. I hope it's not a duplicate. This one is a very light figure. Okay, if this one will be a duplicate, whoever is the fan of One Piece Monster, collaboration with Monster, I'm going to sell all of my duplicates here. So let's see. Just give me a message or comment down below. Or I hope I'll get a secret, guys. I want to get the secret from this series. Let me remove the foil first. Let me show you. So this is the foil of the monsters. They use the typical foil of the monsters with the branding, but not the collaboration with One Piece. So let me show you first the art card. So one, two, three. Oh! Surprisingly, it's Nico Robin again. So I'm not going to open this one. Let me put it back in the box and let me get Robin here. Oops. Sorry, Hope. Okay. So this is Robin. Let me put out Chopper so that if I'll get another Chopper, it will be easy for me to get him out. So, okay, so let me show you the art card first. So this is Robin with a bounty of 930 million. Okay, so let me show you. They have whenever you get a figure from this collection, you will get the stand like a Bitcoin or a gold coin from this series. And let me show you Robin here, a very sexy figure. She's using or wearing a red stiletto and like doing a hula dance. And what I like about Robin here is the eyeglass that she is wearing, a very realistic one. And this one is a very cute figure, very intricate details. Look the hair, guys. And even the skirt that she's wearing. I like the palm trees with the flowers design. And she is wearing a blue top and like she is dancing a hula dance. So very nice figure. That's why I decided to get more of this. So unfortunately, this is a duplicate, but again, I'm going to sell it. So if you wanna buy Robin from me, guys, comment down below. So guys, unfortunately, we started duplicate from this collection. So let's see. This one is a mid-heavy box. I hope it's not a duplicate because again, I got this one from a different set. So let's see. Let me remove the. Okay, maybe this one's not a secret because there's a stand. So let me show you the art card. One, two, three. Oh, it's Jinbe. So Jinbe has a bounty of, I guess this 1 billion 100 1.1 billion. Okay, so let's see. So this is Jinbe. First time to get Jinbe. Let me set aside this one. Okay, it seems like they have a different stand because the stand has like this translucent one. Okay, so one, two, three. Oh, okay. It's very blue. It matches with Hope. So this is Jinbe, and he's wearing a like a traditional Japanese robe, I guess. And yeah, because he's wearing a Japanese sandals, that's why the stand of Jinbe is so different. It's like a square one with a translucent material. So you have to stick this one like this. I'm not sure. Am I doing it right? Why it's so? Maybe like this. Okay, that's it. Look, guys, Jinbe is so blue, and he looks like a yakuza. And yeah, very Japanese vibe for me. Jinbe is, and I like the bun, hair bun, like it's tied up so much, and I like the hair is like curly hair at the back, and he's wearing a Japanese robe like with a blue tie. I like maybe this is a purple tie, and I like the design of the robe. Very intricate details, very cool figure. If you are a fan of Jinbe, guys, please comment down below. Let me proceed with our next box, which is the heavy one. This one is a very heavy one, not so heavy, but I'm thinking maybe this is Tony Chopper. So let's see. I hope I'll get a secret. I wanna get a secret from this collection. Mm-hmm. Let's see. Let me show you the art card first. Where's the art card? Okay, here. So one, two, three. Oh, it's Trafalgar Law, which has a 3 million bounty. Yay, nice one. I believe Law is one of the chase here. Okay, let me remove all the inclusion. Okay, So the inclusion has a stand and a sword. Let me set aside first this and open the foil. So one, two, three. Oh, this one is so nice. That's why it's so chase because of the looks of this figure. Very nice one. Look, the intricate details of Lo here. The robe that he's wearing, or maybe this is a suit. There is a golden design at the bottom part of the suit, and I'm not sure what is this one. What is the sign of this? And he has a like a tattoo on his hand. Both hands has a tattoo, and I like the bolero that he's wearing, and he has a golden ear piercing. Look, guys, very cool, and he's wearing a blue jeans. Let me put all the inclusions. Okay, let me stand him on the stand. Oh, this how? Yep. Okay, and the sword. Good thing they have protection in the sword like a hard plastic. Oh, okay. How should I put this one? I like the sword, guys. It's very samurai vibe. I like the details of the sword. Very nice. And maybe here, like this. How? He's wearing like that? Oh, here? How? How should I put this? Like here or here? I'm not sure. How should I put the sword off? Or maybe here? Okay. Oh, that's it? I'm not sure how should I put the sword. Or maybe like that. Okay. That's how it is. Look, that's why this one is a cool figure. Very nice. Look, what is your thought about this one? I guess this is one of my faves from this series. Let me show you all the card and the figure. What is your thought about this one? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with our next box. So we unboxed already three, one duplicate and one new figure. So I hope this one is another new one and then not a duplicate one. So let's see. Oops. Okay. Let me show you the art card. I hope it's not a duplicate. So one, two, three. Oh, it's Sabo. Look, Sabo has a very low bounty. I'm not sure why. Is there an inclusion? Okay, there's an inclusion here. Let me open. So one, two, three. Oh, Sabo has this blonde hair, and I'm not sure if this is a birthmark on the eyes or maybe a tattoo on the eyes, and he's wearing a black suit or a black trench coat and with the brown gloves. I like this one. Maybe this one is a leather type one. And I like the hat of Sabo here. Very cool. Let me show you all the inclusion and put him on the stand like this. Oops. And he has this. I'm not sure if this is a flame of baton or flame of fire. And he's holding how? Okay, at the back part. Okay, like this. Okay, yeah. But how? Why it's like this only? It's not that long like in the picture. Okay, so yeah, that's it. So he's holding this baton, or maybe this is a baton because maybe these ones are fire at both ends. And what I like, this one's like a flaming fire and it's a translucent material. And I like this. I like that the ears of a monster here speaking on the hat of Sabo. Very nice figure. A very good collection indeed. So, what is your thought about this? Please comment down below. So, let's proceed with our next box. So, we still have four left. So, these are fifth box for this series. So, let's see. I'm starting to like this collection. Very, very nice one. I hope I'm able to complete them. So, this is the foil. And this is the card. So, one, two, three. Oh, so this is Frankie. I guess this is one of the best figure from this collection. So let's see. Let me open this one. So one, two, three. Yes, yes. It's cool indeed. I like it. Let me set aside first all this foil. Yeah, let me show you. This one is so cool. It's like a wartime machine and it's moving. The hands of Frankie here is tilting like this. Very nice. I guess this is one of the best. Look, I like the intricate details of the figure. Very nice one. And what I like about this one is you can move his hands like this. And he's so cool because of the ear, or maybe I'm not this is the eyepiece or the goggles of Frankie. Very nice. Let me get the stand. The Sunnies of Frankie, actually. It's the Sunnies. And he looks like he's in the beach because he's wearing a Speedo. Very sexy one. And yeah, this one, I guess, one of the best. And I like this one. And what is your thought about this? Please comment down below. So let's go with our next box. Let me open now at the bottom part. So let's see. Oops. So far, I had one duplicate. So I hope it won't added more. Okay. Or I hope I'll get a secret, guys. What do you think? It will be fun if I'll get a secret from this vlog. Right? Uh-oh. I destroyed the box. Sorry. Okay. One, two, three. Oh, we got Monkey D. Luffy. Yeah. We got the first one, the first character here. So let's see. Finally. So this is the stand. So one, two, three. Oops. Yeah, this one is cool. I like this one. Yes. I like the color combination of Monkey D. Luffy here. I like the straw hat at the back. I like the hair, very intricate details. I like the color combination of his clothes, very Monkey D. Luffy. Let me put him on the stand. Yes, this one is nice. Oops. Okay, and he has a 3 million bounty. 3 million? 3 billion. I guess it's 3 billion. And I like this one. Very cool. Very nice. Look the details at the back, on the side, at the back, and on the front. I like this. What is your thought about Monkey D. Luffy, guys? Comment down below. So guys, let's proceed with our second to our last box. So far, we have Monkey D. Luffy, we have Frankie, we have Trafalgar Law. I have Nico Robin already, but it's a duplicate. Oh, we had Jinbei. We have Tony Chopper. And we have, I had Tony Chopper already. And we have Sabo. So I still don't have Brook. Uh, I guess I have Sanji. Brook, Zoro, Brook, Zoro, Usopp, and Nami. One, two, three, four. I still have no. I still don't have Sanji also. So let's see. Ah ha ha ha. I hope it's not a duplicate or I have a secret. Please. I'm still hoping to get a secret. Oh, oh, it's not a secret because it's a stand. So one, two, three. Oh, it's Usopp. It's Usopp, Usopp. I'm not sure. Usopp. So let's see, guys. One, two, three. Oh, yeah. This one is cool. Very nice figure. I like the color combination of this one. Let me set aside first all the boxes and foils so that I have a clear space here. This one is so nice. I like the slingshot of Usopp here. Very nice one. I like the nose. I like the earphone or the headphone. It's orange. I can say that this one has a very intricate details. I like the color combination. I like this hat that her ears sticking out. I like this one. Yes, this one is a cool figure. I should collect or complete this collection now. Ah, what else don't I have one yet? I'm not sure. So this one is so nice figure. Look, guys. Uh, she's bringing a red small bag on the side, sling bag. Look, very nice one. What can you say about this? Please comment down below. So guys, our last box for today. So we don't have the secret. We don't have Nami yet. We don't have Zoro. I hope I'll get Zoro from this box or the secret. Sanji I don't have yet. I know. Yeah, Sanji, Brook, Sanji, Zoro, and Nami. And the secret. So let's see. I hope it's Zoro or secret. I hope it's Zoro or secret. I'm manifesting. So let's see. I hope it's Zoro or secret. Because if this will be Zoro, I will be able to complete this one. I'll just buy a confirmed figure so that I'm able to complete the series. Uh-oh. So this one. Ah! It's Nami! Oh. Well, I got the last girl from this series. It's not Zoro. I still don't have Zoro yet. So let me open Nami. So one, two, three. Okay. She is so sexy here. Nami has this orange hair and she's wearing an orange sandals and blue bottom with a golden accent on the side. She's wearing a uh, top swimsuit or like a bikini top with a green and white strap. And yeah, she is so sexy here. And let me put all the inclusions. Okay. Okay, why it's not Zoro? I like Zoro one. So let me put this one here. How? How? Should I put like this? Like this and maybe like this? Or maybe like, okay, maybe like this. Like this. And you put here. Okay, she's holding this like a rod with a spike on the end, and the spike one is like a crystallized one, and it's a translucent material. And I like this very sexy figure. So let me show you the side part and the back part. Cool. So, what is your thought about Nami? It's not Zoro, but still cute. So, give me your comment down below. So guys, this is my final lineup for today's vlog, which is it's all about the monsters, and all the figures that are in the bottom are my favorites. And if you have other favorites, you can comment down below your list. And if you're still not my subscribers, please don't forget to tap the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. So once again guys, I hope you had fun watching my vlog and help me reach the 1,000 subscribers. So guys, please share and like this video, and thanks again for watching. Bye!